Today, you will learn how to save any web page as PDF. First, open any web browser on your laptop, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Now visit the web page that you want to save as a PDF. Make sure the page is fully loaded. Next, press Ctrl P on your keyboard. This will open the print window. In the print window, find the printer option. Click on it and choose Save as PDF. After selecting Save as PDF, click the Save button. Now choose the location where you want to store the file, for example, desktop or documents. Type a file name and then click Save. That's it. Your web page is now converted into a PDF file, and you can open it anytime or share it with anyone easily. So, yes, you have successfully learned how to convert any web page into a PDF for free. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy PDF and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching.